चिमण्या गोष्टी यशवंतराव चव्हाण. Hello kids, today we are going to learn about a great leader and a true son of Maharashtra, Yashwantrao Chauhan. He was not only a freedom fighter but also the first chief minister of Maharashtra and a prominent leader in Indian politics. So, let us dive into his inspiring story. Yashwantrao Chauhan was born on 12th March 1913 in Devarashtre, a small village in Maharashtra's Satara district. He came from a humble farming family. His father's untimely death made life difficult, but Yashwantrao's mother Venutai encouraged him to pursue education. He completed his schooling in Karad and later went to Mumbai to study law. His love for learning and his mother's support played a big role in shaping his future. During his college days, Yashwantrao was inspired by Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru. He actively participated in the freedom struggle. He joined the Indian National Congress and worked tirelessly in the Quit India movement of 1942. He was even imprisoned for his activities, showing immense bravery. After India gained independence, Yashwantrao Chauhan became the first Chief Minister of Maharashtra in 1960. He focused on agriculture, education and infrastructure development. Under his leadership, Maharashtra became known as a progressive state. He started various projects for farmers, including cooperative movements that helped uplift rural areas. In 1962, Yashwantrao Chauhan became India's defense minister during the challenging time. He played a crucial role during 1965 Indo-Pak War, boosting the morale of Indian soldiers and strengthening the country's defense strategies. His leadership ensured that India emerged strong and resilient during this crucial period. Yashwantrao Chauhan also served as Home Minister, Finance Minister and held other important positions. He introduced progressive policies that improved India's economy, internal security and social welfare. His vision of a modern and developed India inspired many. Yashwantrao Chauhan passed away on 25th November 1984, but his legacy lives on many schools. Many schools, colleges and institutions are named after him, honoring his contributions to the nation. His life teaches us about dedication, service and leadership. Kids, Yashwantrao Chauhan's life is a perfect example of how hard work, courage and love for the nation can make a big difference. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe Chimya Goshti channel. Thank you.